Welcome back to Beammaster 79. In this lesson, we'll tackle an ielts writing task 1 question with 3 pie charts and build a band 9 answer step by step. Here is the task. The pie charts show the distribution of students across different types of course in the years 1984, 1994, and 2004. We must summarize the main features and make comparisons where relevant. Let's read the data. There are 4 categories: face-to-face, correspondence, mixed media, and online courses. Notice that online courses only appear from 1994 onward. That's an important detail to mention. Before writing, pick out the big movements. Face-to-face courses fall steadily from 67, 54 to about 40%. Mixed media stays flat, then jumps to over a third. Online courses appear, then dip. And correspondence courses drift gently downward. Now let's group these trends. On one side, what increased, mixed media rose dramatically and online courses were newly introduced. On the other side, what decreased, face-to-face dropped the most and correspondence declined gently. Grouping like this gives us 2 clean body paragraphs. Here's our plan. A 1-sentence introduction that paraphrases the question. An overview with the 2 biggest trends and no numbers. Body paragraph 1 for the categories that fell and body paragraph 2 for the categories that rose. 4 paragraphs, clean and examiner friendly. The 3 pie charts compare the proportion of students enrolled in 4 types of course: face-to-face, correspondence, mixed media, and online in 1984, 1994, and 2004. Overall, face-to-face learning remained the most popular mode throughout the period, yet its share fell sharply. Meanwhile, mixed media courses grew the most dramatically, and online study emerged as a new but relatively minor option. In 1984, face-to-face courses accounted for 2/3 of all enrollments at 67%. This figure then declined steadily, dropping to 54% in 1984 and just under 40% by 2004. Correspondence courses showed a milder decline, holding at 20% until 1994 before falling to roughly 15% in the final year. Mixed media courses, by contrast, remained unchanged at 13% across the first 2 decades, but then surged to 35.6% in 2004, making them the second most common choice. Online courses, which did not exist in 1984, made up 13% in 1994, but slipped slightly to under 10% 10 years later. Why does this reach band 9? Task achievement: a clear overview plus accurate, well-selected data. Coherence, logical grouping, and smooth linking. Lexical resource: precise trend language like surged, declined, and drifted. And grammar: a range of structures used accurately. One honest note: band 9 here is our own assessment against the public ielts descriptors, not a certified examiner score. That's how you turn 3 pie charts into a band 9 answer. If this helped, subscribe to Beammaster 79 for more ielts practice. See you in the next lesson.